In this episode, we're going to have a look at creating a new user, and when we create this user, we're going to fill out the form, but let's say we get distracted, we haven't saved our form, and we navigate away. Well, we basically have just lost our changes. Or there's other situations where you may accidentally refresh the page, and you've now just lost all of your changes. Luckily, if we hit the browser back button, we can then hit the forward, and our changes will sometimes remain. But the annoying ones are definitely the page reload or navigating over to a different website or something. So in this episode, we're going to have a look at doing a page reload, but then giving a warning saying that your changes may not be saved. We can cancel, and then it prevents the page from being reloaded. Also, if we navigate away, then it'll also give us another message saying that we have unsaved changes, or we sure we want to leave, and if we hit OK, then it'll navigate us away. But if we come back, and if we make our changes again, we can navigate away and hit cancel, and then we remain on this page. So in this episode, we're going to look at implementing this feature on a per form basis, so we can choose to enable this or not depending on the form that we're working on. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift in Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.